Hey y'all, it's Kathy with Hidden Crystal. Today we're going to use our new moon sticker sheet from our Planning with the Moon sticker set. The new moon's all about looking within and setting your intention. So this sheet has things like look within, meditate, good vibes only, dream big, how do you feel today, moon mantra, ruminate, plant your intent. There's also the waxing phase, full moon, waning phase, and a sampler sheet. So the week of the new moon, I'll spread out some stickers throughout the whole spread so I can connect with my intention and my purpose throughout the days leading up to the new moon. There's checklists. There's also a sticker with prompts for a new moon senses ceremony for taste, smell, music, crystal to hold, and take a photo. I'll put information on how I want to connect with my intention throughout the week, and then on the new moon senses ceremony, I'll fill it in. So this new moon, I'm going to taste chocolate, I'm going to smell the blooming jasmine outside my window, I'm going to listen to Billie Eilish, hold my tiger's eye crystal for focus and take a photo and put it in my journal. I use my extra stickers for the next month's spread, and I always have stickers left over, so I'll use those for letters, journaling, or for another month. Thanks for being here.